Dr. Matt Fontaine back with First Tee Washington. Joey's back with us here. We're going to talk a little bit about address position, some of the things that we see with bad positioning. Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about the upper back, ways to mobilize it for stiffness. And we're also going to come back to the hips and show us a bridge exercise which is going to help us with core stability. So Joey, go ahead and show me a good address position over the ball. Okay. So you look at a lot of things working well here. We've got good head alignment. She's got good spine angle here. If we move from this into a bad setup position where she's really slouched and rounded forward, we tend to see this a lot in just bad positioning. Some of the older golfers may have some stiffness in through the back. So we want to make sure that we have good flexibility of the upper back, okay? So let's come on over and get you on the foam roller, okay? The first exercise we're going to do is an extension on the foam roller. Okay, good. So let's have you go ahead and get into position. Once you've got the roller secure behind your back, okay, you're going to make sure your knees stay bent. And then once you feel like the roller is in position and it's not going to slide from you, Joey's going to bring her hands behind her head. All she's doing here is cradling the head. We want the elbows in nice and tight. And she's going to do a back bend over the roller while she breathes out. Okay, and then come on up. So we're exhaling on the way out, and the idea is to extend the back, and we're looking to do about 10 repetitions per spot. So we'll do a couple here. Breathing out, and then she comes back to the start. Okay, do a few more for her. Good. Excellent. So we're looking to do 10 total. She can scoot her hips up to move and work a slightly different part of the back, or she can slide down and work the roller. You can move the roller in various positions, okay? Let's have you turn on your side and we're gonna get into this spot next. Okay, underneath the lats, we tend to see a lot of tightness. That's gonna affect shoulder turn. So what Joey's gonna do here is get the roller positioned right underneath the shoulder blade, and we're gonna just use kind of a back and forth sawing motion here, just slightly back and forth. And she can kind of feel where it feels tight and restricted and work back and forth through there. The other thing she can do is just use her legs to move slightly up and down. The movement when you're on the roller is not a big movement. We're just looking to get in and use our body weight on top of the roller this way to bias these tissues and open some of the upper back musculature. Looking for about a minute here. Again, remember we want to do both sides. Okay? All right, lastly, let's go into that bridge that we did. So we're going to have you lay on your back. Okay? Now, setting up the bridge is important. What we want to do is have the knees bent. Okay? The arms are going to just go right at the side or a little bit out, and she can actually push her arms into the ground. We want to have the feet in a flex position here. And I'm going to have Joey just bridge up, driving off her heels, come all the way up. And then she holds that for just a second and then drop back down. And we're going to do a total of 10. Okay, so let's just do a few for demonstration. Come all the way up and then back down. One of the things we want to coach as the athlete comes up is as they come up, we want them squeezing here and they're stiff and tight in their abdominals as well. And that creates the bracing for the lower back. Good. We're just looking to hold at the top for a second or two. All right, great. Come on up. All right, Joey. Thanks for your help, and we'll see you guys on the next video.